What's up, guys? It's your girl Clarion, aka Clay from ClaysCustoms. And if you're watching this video today on April the 6th, today is my birthday. And I got a goodie bag or goodie box from a brand on Instagram called Alpha 6 Paint. And I want to unbox it with you guys. So go ahead and sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Let's get into it. So look, I know you guys know that usually when I'm talking about paint, I'm customizing my shoes, I always say I use Angelus Direct. And I do. But this brand Alpha 6, they reached out to me and they said they want to send me some stuff, and so I'm gonna show it to you guys, and I'm gonna have to try it out. So I'm gonna do some videos of me trying it out, but for today I'm just gonna unbox it with you guys. So let's get into it. So I know the packaging look a little crazy because I was being a little nosy. I kind of already looked in there, but they sent your girl a little paint set, right? I'm gonna show you guys what it look like. So they sent your girl not one paint set. Hold on, it's upside down. But not one sneaker paint set, but two sneaker paint sets. So this right here is basically your beginner paint set for everything that you need. It have, you know, a few basic colors, some paint brushes. You know, it had your deglazer. They call it as a stripper deglazer, like it strips the paint off. And basically everything you need to get started. So I got this one, and then they sent your girl this one. And look at these colors. I mean, like, they got some really nice colors. I haven't used it yet, but I am so excited. Like, I can't wait to show you guys what these shoes are gonna look like. And I heard a lot of great stuff about their paint. I heard it's very flexible and very durable, and the color just pops. Like, I've seen other customizers use their paints, and I honestly was in awe. So I am super excited, okay? So yeah, I'm excited about that. And then check this out. Look at these angle brushes. Listen, as a customizer, angle brushes are my go-to. I'm always running to Michael's to get an angle brush, right? Because, you know, if you want to get that nice crisp line, you can't use a flat one. You got to use that angle brush. My customizers, y'all know. But check this out. And then look at that. Look at the artwork behind it. Like, they don't just give you the product. They give you a show with it. Hey, Alpha 6, y'all already won me with just the way the stuff looks. I'm loving it. Okay? They got me some paint cups. You know, you want to mix that paint, and I'm loving all the stickers. I'm excited about the stickers. Look at these neons. They gave your girl some neon colors in the little bottles, and I love the square. That's just too cute. And then also, they gave your girl some Alpha 6 paint markers. So yeah, Posca markers, y'all. I'm gonna have to throw my Posca markers in the trash because I think Alpha 6 got it all. They coming through with everything. Look at these colors. I mean, they just so vibrant, and oh man, I'm excited. I'm super excited. Like, look at this. Look at these colors. I'm excited. I can't wait. And also, they sent your girl not one, not two, not three, but 4 painter's tapes. And then look, on the back it say Soul Tape. Kind of like Soul Train. I think that's super cool. Look, Alpha 6, y'all already won me over, okay? And I ain't even used y'all stuff. I'm already a fan. But listen, for my fans and my subscribers, I got something special for you guys, okay? Y'all make sure that y'all run on over to my Instagram, okay? Because I'm going to be doing a giveaway. All you got to do is go to my Instagram, find a post that correlates to this Alpha 6 paint. Find a post that I did about this Alpha 6 paint, and you got to follow me. But I mean, you already following me, so you ain't got to worry about this stuff. But make sure you following me, you follow Alpha 6, you like, and you drop a comment and let me know you done. And I'm going to be running this giveaway until the 26th. I'm going to be picking a lucky subscriber that I'm giving them a little goodie bag too. Because I mean, it's my birthday and I got to share the love with y'all. So this was the gift to me, but I want to give to you guys. So make sure y'all do that. Make sure y'all go to my Instagram, find the post, follow me, follow Alpha 6, like it, comment done. And I'm going to be picking the winner on the 26th. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. And I'm definitely gonna have to do an in-detail video on these paints because I mean, they just look amazing. But for today, that's all I'm giving you guys, all right? Until next time, peace. And remember, success is a lifestyle. You gotta live it if you want it.